Yep, I had pizza yet again. This is probably the third time in 2 weeks that I've had pizza. Yeah, am I ashamed? Definitely not. I absolutely love pizza. These are the 4 out of 5 flours that normally go into my recipe. Normally I have some dark rye in there, but I ran out, so 4 will do. We're playing with my balls here and getting these dough balls ready to make some beautiful pizzas. That's right, these are my pizza making pants. You can tell that they make me happy when I make pizza because I'm smiling. Then we're going to use this, as I like to call it, a plush sauce. It's a mixture of some white sauce that I made from the pizzas the other night with some tomato sauce. And then you just mix them together and get this beautiful rosy pink sauce. And then we've got some spinach and onion and cheese on there. And then when they come out of the oven, baby, you know that we got to treat that crust up. That's right, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of granulated garlic. And I topped these with a good amount of grated Parmesan cheese because just look at it. Just look at it. Now, you knew that I couldn't just make one pizza. If you're making one, you gotta make two, baby. That's just how it goes. Look at them. The second verse was even better than the first. I'm telling you. I can't get enough of pizza. I just can't. This might be an issue for me. I might need help. Send help.